Dealing with landlords regarding repairs can be a stressful process, but handling it professionally and knowledgeably ensures your rights are protected while maintaining a good tenant-landlord relationship. Whether you're renting an apartment, a house, or a room, knowing the proper steps to take when repairs are needed is essential. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step approach to effectively communicate with your landlord and address repair issues while understanding your rights and responsibilities as a tenant. Hello again, everyone. I'm attorney Robert Flesses. If this is your first time here, now would be the best time to subscribe. Because if you do subscribe, you'll know where to go to get answers to your legal questions. Before taking any action with your landlord, familiarize yourself with local, state, and federal rental laws that outline both tenant and landlord obligations regarding repairs. In most jurisdictions, landlords are legally required to maintain the rental property in a habitable condition. And this includes providing running water, heat, electricity, and ensuring the premises are free from safety hazards. Tenants, on the other hand, are responsible for keeping the property clean and using appliances and fixtures properly. Now, if you're unsure of your rights, consult your lease agreement and local tenant resources first. Many cities or states have tenant unions or housing authorities that promote free advice on information with rental laws. Understanding these basics will give you confidence when approaching your landlord about repairs. When you notice something that needs repair, document the problem thoroughly. Take clear, dated photographs or videos of the damage or malfunction. Write a detailed description of the issue, noting when you first noticed it, how it affects your living situation, and any immediate risks to health or safety. Documentation is crucial if disputes arise or if you need to escalate the issue to relevant authorities later. Check your lease to see what it says about repairs. Some leases specify procedures for repair requests, including timeliness, preferred contact methods, and responsibilities for certain types of maintenance. Reviewing your lease ensures you follow established procedures and do not inadvertently breach your contract. Contact your landlord as soon as possible about the needed repair. While a phone call can be a good first step, always follow up with a written request. Email is typically preferred, but a letter works as well. Your written request should include the following: a clear description of the problem, the date you first noticed the issue, any steps you've taken to minimize damage, photographs or videos as attachments if possible, a request for a timely response and repair, referencing relevant lease sanctions or local laws if it's necessary. Keep copies of all your correspondence for your records. Professionalism and clarity in your communications helps set a respectful tone and create a paper trail. And then allow your landlord reasonable time to respond and schedule repairs. While urgent issues like loss of heat in winter or plumbing emergencies typically require immediate attention, less critical repairs may take longer. Coordinate with your landlord to provide access to the property for repair personnel as required by most leases and laws. Remaining cooperative and flexible can help resolve issues efficiently and maintain a positive relationship with your landlord. However, keep track of all promises and appointments, noting dates and outcomes. If your landlord doesn't respond within a reasonable time frame, follow up with another written request. Restate the issue, reference your previous correspondence, and politely request a status update. If the repair is urgent or affects your safety, mention this to your landlord right away and cite any applicable legal requirements regarding prompt repairs. Persistence combined with professionalism often encourages landlords to prioritize your request. If your landlord ignores repeated requests or refuses to make necessary repairs, you may need to escalate the matter. Options for escalation include contacting your local housing authority or building department to report code violations, filing a complaint with a tenant association or mediation service, sending a formal demand letter, possibly with legal assistance, withholding rent, or arranging for repairs and deducting the costs from rent, it's only if it's permitted by local law and after following proper legal procedures. It's essential to understand your rights and the legal process before taking any of these steps. Improper action could result in eviction or other consequences, so consult with a tenant attorney or local resource if you're unsure. For your protection, keep organized records of all communications, repair requests, photos, receipts, and any repairs you pay for directly. This documentation can be invaluable if your landlord attempts to hold you liable for damages and withhold your security deposit, or retaliate in any way. A well-maintained record demonstrates your good faith efforts to resolve the issue and supports your case if legal action becomes necessary. Throughout this process, maintain a respectful, professional tone in all interactions. Even if you're frustrated, avoid accusatory or inflammatory language. Calm, factual communication is more effective, and if the matter escalates, it'll reflect well on you and in any official proceedings. Legal action is generally a last resort, but if your landlord continues to neglect necessary repairs that impact your safety and violate the lease, you may need to pursue it. Gather your documentation and seek advice from a tenant lawyer or legal aid office. They can help you understand your options, including small claims court or other legal remedies available in your area. Remember, laws vary by state and locality, so local guidance is vital. Dealing with your landlord over repairs requires knowledge, patience, and professionalism. By understanding your rights, documenting issues, communicating clearly, and following proper procedures, you can ensure necessary repairs are addressed promptly while protecting your interests. I'm attorney Robert Flessis. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next video.